Okay, let's talk about a piece of tech you probably use every single day but never really think about. The calendar invite. Seems so simple, right? Well, it turns out that behind that little button, there's a huge, high-stakes war being fought to control it. And believe me, the outcome is going to change how you manage your entire life. You know the feeling. We have all been there. You click a link for a webinar or maybe a flight, and boof, nothing. Or you download some random file, but the event never actually shows up on your calendar. That frustration? It's not just you. It's actually a symptom of a much bigger, fundamentally broken system. So the villain in this whole story is the thing that's supposed to be helping us out, the Add to Calendar button. Yeah, that one. It promises simplicity, but what it really delivers is just chaos for everyone. See, the old Add to Calendar button is basically a shot in the dark. The organizer has absolutely no idea if you've actually added the event. And if the time changes, well, good luck, because you're totally out of the loop. But a real calendar invite, our hero, that's a completely different game. It's a direct two-way connection. It confirms the event is on your calendar, it pushes updates automatically, and it gives organizers the real data they desperately need. So how do we get this powerful, heroic invite into our lives? Well, the answer lies in a whole new kind of technology, one designed to fix this broken system once and for all. The solution is something called a Calendar Invite Server, or CIS for short. Now, this isn't just another button. No way. It's an intelligent system that basically acts as a central command post for events. It uses a modern API to talk directly with your calendar, making sure nothing ever gets lost in translation again. You can think of a CIS as having actual superpowers. It knows if you've RSVP'd yes, no, or maybe. If an event detail changes, poof, your calendar updates automatically. No more showing up to the wrong place an hour late. And for the organizers, the guessing game is finally over. They get real, actionable data. Best of all, this tech can be embedded literally anywhere. So how does all this magic actually happen? It's really a pretty simple three-step process that makes this whole system so smart and, more importantly, so reliable. Just think of it like a super smart mailroom. First, when an organizer's event comes in, it gets its own unique tracking ID. Simple. Second, when you ask for it, the system builds a fresh, personalized invite just for you. But step 3, that's where the real magic is. If the organizer changes anything, the time, the location, anything, the system automatically sends an update, but only to the people who need it. It's efficient, it's smart, and it's totally seamless. And this is where that hidden war really begins. This technology is so powerful, it's now at the center of a potential $40 million acquisition. And the companies lining up to buy it are some of the biggest names in tech. Each one of them has a very, very good reason to want this power for themselves. I mean, look at this list of contenders. It's a who's who of the tech world. You've got Calendly, the scheduling giant. You've got Microsoft, the undisputed king of the enterprise desktop. And you've got HubSpot, the CRM powerhouse. Every single one of them sees this tech as a way to totally dominate their market. Let's start with a titan like Microsoft. For them, this is an absolute no-brainer. This is the company that owns Outlook and Teams. So improving the reliability of something as fundamental as a calendar invite, that's a massive strategic win. Someone described this $40 million deal as a rounding arrow check with near immediate payback. And for a company the size of Microsoft, that's exactly what it is. The strategic value is just immense. It locks users even tighter into Outlook and Teams, and it defends their turf from all those smaller, nibbling competitors. And the financial upside? It's just staggering. I mean, think about this. Microsoft has over 430 million paid users. If they use this new tech to justify a tiny price increase, we're talking just 10 cents a month, for less than 5% of their user base, they would generate $24 million in new revenue every single year. The deal pays for itself almost instantly. It's crazy. All right, then you have Calendly. This is a company whose entire business is built on scheduling. For them, this isn't just about playing defense, this is about a massive strategic evolution. So how does a company like Calendly make a $40 million deal pay off? Well, they'd need to bring in about $21.6 million in new sales each year. And the path to get there is pretty clear. They could launch a new Calendly Campaigns feature aimed right at their business customers. And just like that, they transform themselves from just a simple booking tool into a full-on engagement platform. So, when you lay it all out, you see 3 really clear motives. You've got Microsoft playing defense and gunning for immediate cash. You have Calendly trying to evolve its entire product. And then a company like HubSpot wants to pull all this rich data into its CRM to deepen its advantage. For all of them, it's a hugely profitable move that they can make back in under 2 years. Okay, this whole corporate battle is fascinating, but let's bring it back down to you. What does this war for the calendar actually mean for your daily life? I mean, why should you even care who wins? Well, it means your calendar is about to get a whole lot smarter. Imagine getting fewer of those annoying reminder emails because the organizer knows you already have the event. Imagine a flight time changing and your calendar just updates itself instantly. This means an end to missed appointments, an end to confusion. It means your calendar finally just works. So the next time you click to add an event to your calendar, just take a second to think about the incredible technology and the huge corporate battle happening behind that one simple click. It really makes you wonder, right? What other seemingly simple technology in our daily lives is secretly at the center of another hidden, high-stakes war?